Hey guys, this is Legendariums Gaming here. Today we are going to make the main method and overview a setting I changed in the Package Explorer. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the setting. So what I did was I went to Package Explorer. Well, first I closed Navigator because of the setting. And then I went to Package Explorer, clicked on the arrow, Package Presentation, and chose the bottom one. What this does is if I make a sub-package, so it's like, let's type the same thing, com.wordpress.legendariumsgaming, and you don't have to do this, .basics.fun, I'm just going to call it for whatever reason. It displays just like in the Navigator, but with the package icon. Now if I go to Package Presentation Flat, which is the default, sorry about that, then it will display as a whole new package if you look right there. And I do not like that, so I just changed it to this and closed the Navigator. So that is it. I just deleted that package. Now the thing I did here, the thing to do here is make a new line. And I just have a new line, and I'm going to type public static void main string with a capital S args. And I'm going to exit those parentheses with string args in them, make an opening bracket, curly bracket, and curly brace, and hit enter. So now it just auto formats that. If you don't have the right formatting for whatever reason, you just hit Control-Shift-F. And I'll show you an example of that real quick. Let's say I have that indented a few and that indented one. I hit Control-Shift-F and it fixes it. So that is awesome. Now I'm going to explain this main method. So it's main. It's the one method in everything that without using like threads or anything crazy like that, you don't have to call. It just calls itself when you run a class. So right now, if I run it, it doesn't look like it's doing anything, but it is technically running this main method. So if I go public, let's explain this. Public means any class can access this. Now it's the main method, so we're not going to try to access it. But if we were going to, that just means you can access it. Static means it has no relation to any instance of the basic class. So unlike a lot of other methods, I do not need to say basic class basic equals new basic class, or in other words, make an instance of the class to run basic class, or I'm just going to say basic.main. I do not have to do that, not at all. Just runs by itself. Sorry about the lag. Bandicam makes it a bit laggy. So that is the bonus of having a main class. Having a static class. So if you're like making a calculator, you might want to make all your methods static or whatever. Now, void means that it does not return anything. I do not have to add a return statement, which is pretty self-explanatory. And then main is just the name, and string args is a parameter that Java enters itself, so we don't have to worry about that. So, overview of today. We changed a setting in the Package Explorer. Then we wrote the code for the main method, and I explained. Public means any class can access it. Static means it has no correlation to an instance of the class. Void means it returns nothing. Main is the name, and this is a parameter. So, I think that's going to be it for today, folks. In the next episode, we will cover the basic Hello program. So I will see you next time, folks. Bye.